from country music fame. This song was called Kentucky Rain. Seven lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you've run, what you're running through or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking through the rain, falling for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. Love you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Hey! Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoe.
Rain in my shoe.
Searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain. Rain in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph to some old gray bearded men sitting on a bench outside the general store. Said yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. Then I finally caught a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? When he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained that he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain is pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoe.
Rain in my shoe.
Searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain. Oh yeah, in the cold Kentucky rain. Rain, cold Kentucky rain. Oh yeah, in the cold Kentucky. Thank you. You guys are beautiful. Thank you.